See, so far we have solved 3 problems from the exercise 3.3 first main. So fourth one is remaining. So let us solve the fourth one. Zero point 2x plus 0.3y equals to 1.3. Second one, 0.4x plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. See, the pair of linear equations are in decimal form. So, let us convert them into that non-decimal form. That means we have to multiply by 10 for both the equation. See, 2x, that is 20 means 2x plus 30 means 3y equals to 130.0. Then second one, 40x 4.0x plus 50, that means one decimal place, y, that is 230, which is equal to 23. So this equation is first, this one is second. Consider first one. The 2x plus 3y equals to 13. So therefore 2x equals to 13 minus 3y. Therefore x equals to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. See, we have considered the equation first, 2x plus 3y equals to 13. So we have converted this equation into x format, that is 2x equals to 13 minus 3y. Therefore x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Put x equals to 13 minus 3y divided by 2 in equation 2. Okay, equation 2, that is 4x plus 5y equals to 23. Equals to 23. Now 4 in the bracket. X means 13 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 5y equals to 23. Equals to 23. See, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 13 2s are 26 minus 3 2s are 6y plus 5y equals to 23. Now minus 6y plus y, that is minus y, this is 26 equals to 23. Minus y equals to 23 minus 26. Minus y equals to minus 3. Therefore y equals to 3. This one is the value of y by the substitution method. Observe the solution. Next, later on, we find the value of x. Now substitute the value of y in equation 2 or first. In equation first, let us take first one. That is 2x plus 3y equals to 13. 2x y equals to 3 equals to 13. 2x plus 9 equals to 13. 2x equals to 13 minus 9. So 2x equals to 4. Therefore x equals to 4 by 2. 2 1 the 2 2 the x equals to 2. So the solution set for pair of linear equation x equals to 2, y equals to 3. X equals to 2, y equals to 3. Okay, now the fifth one, root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0. Consider, see this one as first, this one as second. Consider root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0. So root 2x equals to minus root 3y. Therefore x equals to minus root 3y divided by root 2. Put x equals to minus root 3y divided by root 2 in equation second. So second is root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0. Root 3 in the bracket, x means root 3 into y divided by root 2 minus root 8y equals to 0. See, root 3 into root 3, 3, that is minus 3y divided by root 2 minus root 8y equals to 0. Then LCM root 2 1 जा 1 root 2 जा. So minus 3y minus root 16y divide equals to 0. So minus 3y minus root 16 means 4y divided by root 2 equals to 0. So minus 7y divided by root 2 equals to 0. Minus 7y equals to root 2 into 0, 0. Therefore y equals to 0 minus divided by minus 7. Therefore y equals to 0. Y equals to 0 is the value of the pair of linear equation of first second variable. Now let us put y equals to 0 in any one of the equation. Say for example, let us consider this equation, that is, let us do as third one. So put y equals to 0 in third. So which one is the third? X equals to minus root 3 into y divided by root 2, that is equal to minus root 3 into y, 0 divided by root 2. Anything multiplied by 0, 0 divided by root 2. Therefore x equals to 0. Solution sets are x equals to 0, y equals to 0. X equals to 0, y equals to 0. Whenever we get the irrational numbers like containing roots, carefully you have to simplify. Okay, now let us move to the sixth one, that is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equals to minus 2. Then x by 3 plus y by 2 equals to 13 by 6. Now consider three x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equals to minus 2. Okay, let us take LCM of this one. 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 3 2s are 3 3s are 9x minus 5 2s are 10y equals to minus 2. Okay, 9x minus 10y equals to 6 into minus 2, cross multiplication. 9x minus 10y equals to minus 12, 6 2s are 12. Okay, 9x equals to minus 10y means plus 10y, then minus 12. So x equals to 10y minus 12 divided by 9 divided by 9. Okay, next put x equals to 10y minus 12 9 in any one of the equation. Into, that is x by 3 plus y by 2 equals to 13 by 6. Okay, let us put value of x. 10y minus 12 divided by 9 plus y by 2 equals to 13 by 6 equals to 13 by 6. Okay, see 10y minus 12 divided by 9 3s are 9 into 1 by 3 plus y by 2 equals to 13 by 6. So 10y minus 12 divided by 27 plus y by 2 equals to 13 by 6. LCM 54. 27 2s are 2 27s are 20y minus 24 plus 27y equals to 13 by 6. 47y minus 24 divided by 54 equals to 13 by 6. Then 47y minus 24 equals to, cross multiply 54 into 13 by 6. 6 1s are 6 9s are. So 47y minus 24 equals to 117. Therefore 47y equals to 117 plus 24. 47y equals to 141. Therefore y equals to 141 divided by 47. 47 ones are 47 threes are. Y equals to 3. Y equals to 3. Put y equals to 3 in any one of the equation. Into x by 3 plus y by 2 13 by 6 x by 3 plus y 3 by 2 so to 13 by 6. Okay, LCM 6. 3 2s are 2 3s are. So 2x plus 3 3s are 9 equals to 13 by 6. Okay, denominators are same. 2x plus 9 equals to 13. 2x equals to 13 minus 9. 2x equals to 4. X equals to 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. X equals to 2. X equals to 2. Clear it. See, exercise 3.3 first main is completed. Okay, that is by substitution method. As we goes on continuing the problems, we have to use for simplification that substitution method only. So this one is the little bit different than previous one. Solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. Hence find the value of m. See, value of m we have to find. After solving by substitution method, we have to find the value of m by utilizing the values of x and y. Okay, let us continue the sum equation. x plus 3y equals to 11. 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. Let us modify this one. X minus 2y equals to minus 24. X minus 2y equals to minus 24 divided by 2. X minus 2y equals to 2 ones are 2 12s are, that is minus 12. X minus 2y equals to minus 12. Okay, now let us take second one this time. Consider x minus 2y equals to minus 12. Okay, x equals to minus 12 minus 2y, if transfer, that is plus 2y. What happens? X equals to 2y minus 12. X equals to 2y minus 12. Put x equals to minus 2y, sorry, x equals to 2y minus 12 in 1. Okay, 2x plus 3y equals to 11. Now value of x is 2 in the bracket x, 2y minus 12 plus 3y equals to 11. 2 2s are 4y minus 12 2s are 24 plus 3y equals to 11. 4y plus 3y 7y equals to 11 minus 24 means plus 24. Okay, 7y equals to 35. Therefore y equals to 35 by 7. 7 ones are 7 5s are. Y equals to 5. Put y equals to y equals to 5 in third. Therefore x equals to 2y minus 12. 2 into 5 minus 12. 2 5s are 10 minus 12. X equals to minus 2. Okay, y equals to 5, x equal to minus 2. See the solution. Now let us find the value of m. What they have given? Now y equals to mx plus, see y how much we got? 5. phi equals to m in the bracket x, that is minus 2 plus 3, y equals to mx plus 3. So plus 3. Then what happens? Phi minus 3 equals to minus 2m. So phi minus 3, that is 2, equals to minus 2m. Therefore 2 by minus 2 equals to m. Therefore m equals to minus 1. 2 1s are 2. M equals to minus 1. This is the method of solving such type of pair of linear equations.